welcome to BMC classes, and today we will discuss about 100 most important question related to computer architecture. And this is also important for B.sc 4th semester examination. And let's discuss. So the first question is, how many digits are used in binary number system? So you all know there are only two digits in binary, 0 and 1. The answer will be option number C, correct. 2. Next, what type of computer uses the binary number system? किस प्रकार के कंप्यूटर्स बाइनरी नंबर यूज करते हैं? So the answer will be option number D, digital. Next, what digit is called a bit? The answer will be option number B, binary. Binary digit is called a bit. Next, which component of the computer consists of physical entity of a device? Physical entity of a device. The correct answer is option number C, hardware. Next, which consists of instructions and data that computer manipulates to perform data processing task? Answer will be A, option number A, software. Software consists in instruction and data that computer manipulates. Next, what is the term used for sequence of instructions for the computer? Sequence of instruction for the computer. The answer is option number B, program. Next, what is concerned with the way the hardware components operate to form computer system? To form computer system. The answer will be computer organization. We form components by the organizations. Next, the manipulation of binary information is done by logic circuits are called gates. Logic circuits are called gate, just like AND gate, NOT gate, OR gate, XOR gate. So these are type logic circuits. Next, each gate can be represented in tabular form. Each gate can be represented in tabular form. The answer will be truth table. With the help of truth table, we can represent in tabular form. Next, if both input A and B are equal to 1 and in AND gate, A equal to B equal to 1, in which AND gate the output will be 1. Option number B is correct. Next, a Boolean function can be translated from fill in the blanks expression into a logical diagram. So the answer will be logical. Here will be logical expression. Next, the map simplification method is also known as which map? You all know Karnaugh. This is important question. Note down. Next, the condition when it does not matter if the function produce 0 or 1 for a given minter. The answer will be don't care. In any minter, it produce 0 and 1. The answer will be don't care. Option number D. Next, a circuit is a connected arrangement of logic gates with a set of input and output. The answer will be combinational. Option number C is correct. Next, the addition of two binary digits is done by Which? Two binary. Whenever you see two binary digit, so the answer will be half adder. And three binary digit, then the answer will be full adder. Full adder. So next question. A is a combinational circuit that forms sum of three input. The answer will be full adder. Option number B is correct. Next. The storage element employed in clock sequential circuit is called flip-flop. Option number B is correct. Next. Min-term is also called. We have discussed this in previous video, part number 1. So I told you that whenever you see min-term, your answer will be standard product. And whenever you see max term, answer will be standard sum. So here the answer is option number A, standard product. Next. In flip-flop, input R stand for reset. Option number B is correct. Next. The flip-flop is a slight modification of SR flip-flop. Which flip-flop is a modification of SR? So the answer will be option number D. The D flip-flop is modification of SR. Next. In T flip-flop, T stands for toggle. We have discussed this in previous video. So go and watch this. Next. Special input terminal for setting the flip-flop is called what? So the answer will be preset. A special input terminal for setting the flip-flop is called preset. Next. A circuit is an interconnection of flip-flop and gates. So the answer will be, you see, first option is combinational, second arithmetic, third shift, and fourth is sequential. So the answer will be option number D, sequential. This was first question in previous video. Next. The state table of sequential circuit consists of sections. Sequential circuit consists of how many sections? The answer will be 4. Option D is correct. Next. The state shows the states of flip-flops A and B at any given time t. I told you at time t, whenever you see, the answer will be present. Option C is correct. Present. Next. Short form of American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So you can see this. Option number B is correct. ASCII. Next. The state of the flip-flop after the occurrence of a clock pulse is called. After the occurrence is called next. Option number C is correct. Next. 28. During the execution of the instructions, a copy of the instructions is placed in the copy of instructions is placed where? The answer will be cache. Next, max term is also called max. Whenever you see max, your answer will be standard sum. Next, the multiplexer is also called selector since it selects one of many data inputs. The answer will be data. Option B is correct. Next, A is a digital circuit that performs the inverse operation of decoder. Inverse operation of decoder. So the answer will be option number D. Inverse of decoder is encoder. Okay. Next, A is a group of flip-flops. A is a group of flip-flop. The answer will be register. A register is a group of flip-flop. Next, a register is capable of storing bit of information. How many bit a register can store? The answer will be 1. Register is capable of storing 1 bit. Next, the input in the register determines the action to be taken with each clock pulse. With each clock pulse. Your answer will be load. The load input. Next, the summation symbol stands for summation symbol. The answer will be OR. In OR gate, the values add. Next, there are basic arithmetic operations. How many operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So there are 4 type of basic arithmetic operations. Next, the arithmetic processor is simple if it has only fixed point instruction. The answer will be A. Add. Fixed point add instruction. Next, the solution to any problem stated by a finite number of procedural steps is called. The answer is option number B. Algorithm. The solution to any problem stated by a finite number of procedural steps or algorithm. Okay. Next, a decimal arithmetic unit. Decimal arithmetic unit is a function that performs decimal micro operations. So here the correct answer is digital. A decimal arithmetic unit is a digital function that performs decimal micro operation. Next, a straight subtraction of two numbers. Subtraction of two numbers requires a what? Subtractor. The option where B is correct. Subtractor. Whenever you have to subtract something like 5, so you need a subtractor like 2. Then it will be subtract. Next, the means of entering information into computer is through a which? This is input device, but you can't input information. You just click and allow. Next, printer is output. Monitor is also output. The answer will be keyboard. Option number B is correct. Next, the subsystem of a computer provides communication between central system and outside system. Central system and outside system. The answer will be what? Input, output. Next, a interrupt is a system that establishes a priority over sources to determine which condition to service first. Which condition to service first? So determine. The answer will be priority. Option number C is correct. Priority determines which condition to serve first. So option number C is correct. Next, is a binary code of a group of elements consisting 10 decimals 0 to 9 decimals. The 26 letters A to Z 26 letters and some special type of symbols like $sign, @ asterisk sign. So these type of numbers are called alphanumeric code. Option number A is correct. Next, the CPU responds to the interrupt signal by storing the address from program counter. Your answer will be option number C, return. Storing the return address. Next, what is the reflected code for the decimal equivalent 9? Reflected code for the decimal equivalent 9. So the answer will be equivalent to 9. You see, the option number D is correct. 1 into 2 की power 0 plus we have to find 9. So directly you can do that. This is your 1 0 like this 0 and this is your 8. When you add you will get 9. This is your answer. So this is the code. Next, I can make a separate video on this for converting into binary, so you can watch that. So next, the K map is also called option number D, which diagram. Next, device that provide backup storage are called. Which device provides backup? So the answer will be option number B, auxiliary. Next, the memory unit that directly communicates with CPU is called main memory. Main memory directly communicates with CPU. Next, the memory access time is less than the access time of the main memory. Your answer will be cache. Option number C is correct. Next, many OS operating system enable the CPU to proceed a number of independent programs. A number of independent programs concurrently is called. एक साथ बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स को चलाने के लिए किसका यूज किया जाता है? तो आंसर विल बी योर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग. In multi-programming, we can proceed many independent program concurrently, एक साथ. Next, RAM stands for random access memory. Option number A is correct. Next, the map for Boolean function of 4 variable. 4 variable will consist 16 minterms. So option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Next, RAM is its content are destroyed when power is turned off. In which? So the answer will be non-volatile. RAM is non-volatile. So its contents are destroyed when power is turned off. Next, initial program is stored in ROM portion of main memory called what? Main memory loader. So the answer will be Option number D, bootstrap. Next, a track in magnetic disk in a given sector near the circumference is always longer than near the center. Option number B is correct. Next, a disk drive with removable disk is called what? So the answer is option number C, floppy. Next, which of the following combinational circuit selects binary information from one of many input lines and directs it to a single output line? So the answer will be multiplexer. In previous video I tell you that the multiplexer is only thing which takes many inputs and provide you a single output, and it is also used for data transferring. This question is most important. Next, the transformation of data from main memory to cache memory is called a process. So the answer is option number B, mapping. The basic component of arithmetic circuit is what? Parallel adder. Option number B. This is parallel adder is a basic component. Option number B is correct. Next, the micro operation that specifies binary operations for strings to bit stored in register are called logic micro operation. Option number A is correct. Next, the addition and subtraction operations can be combined into one common circuit by including a gate with each full adder. So the main thing is addition and subtraction. In which gate? You see, in XOR gate. In this gate there are addition and subtraction. When you get output, you get A operator B, and this operator can subtract and can add. So the answer will be option number A, exclusive OR, XOR gate. Next, the name of operation that complements bit in a register where there are corresponding ones in B register is what? So the correct answer is selective component. Option number B. Next, LIFO stands for last in and first out. So the answer is option number B is correct. Next, the storage device that stores information in a manner that the item stored last in first item retrieve is. So what? The option number B is correct, stack. The storage device that stores information in manner that the item stored last in first item retrieve is stack. Next, the operation of deletion in stack. Option number B is correct, pop. Pop operation is for deletion. If you want to delete anything in the stack, so you have to do this. Next, SP stands for. This is most important question. SP stands for stack pointer. Option number C is correct. Next, the expansion of RPN. Answer is reverse Polish notations. Next, the notation A plus B is what? notation A plus B. Let's understand how many types of notations here. So here are three types of notations. First, prefix notation, second, post prefix, and last is infix. So infix A plus B. Prefix, pre means in first, so in first you got operator, this is prefix. And postfix, post means after, in the last you got this. So in prefix, multiply and addition sign come first and then operator come, and in postfix, after the operator after the numbers and datas operator come, and in infix, simple value. So here A plus B, so this is what? Infix notation. Next, the bits of the instruction are divided into groups. Bits of instruction are divided into groups. Answer will be fields. Divided into group fields, like this. Next, this is most important question you will see in your examination. Most important. Add R1, A, B is 3 address instruction. Option number D is correct. Next, RISC stands for Reduce Instruction Set Computer. Next, the mode in which the effective address is equal to the address part of instruction. In which mode? Your answer will be direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the effective address is equal to the address part of instruction. Next, the instruction that performs arithmetic, logic, and shift operations are called what? Data manipulation instruction. Option number B. Next, SISD stands for. This is also most important question. So SISD, S for what? You all know. Single instruction, single data. Option number A is correct. Next, the instruction provides decision making capability R. So the instruction provides decision making capability R. The answer is program control instruction. Option number D is correct. Next, the contains an address to specify the desired location. Contains an address. The answer will be address register. Option number B is correct. Next, MISD means full form of MISD. The answer will be multiple instruction, single data. So option number A is correct. Next, DR stands for. DR stands for. Your answer will be option number B, data register. Next, which counter counts in binary code decimal from 000 to 1001 and back to 000? Answer will be BCD counter. Option number A is correct. Question number 81. The computer code for interchanging the information between terminals is what? Interchanging the information between terminals. So this American Standard Coded Information Interchange Language. Option number A is correct. ASCII. Next, a bit consists. How many bytes? In a byte, there are 8 bits. So your answer will be 8 bit. Option number C is correct. The notation AB positive. AB positive. In notation AB positive. So what is this? In the last, after. So this will be postfix. So option number B is correct. Postfix notation. Next, the field that specifies the way the operands or the effective address is determined. Effective address is determined. So correct answer is option number C. Operation code field. Next, the NOT gate is also called, this is important question. Again I am saying that NOT gate is a inverter. So 85 का option number D is correct. Next, TOS represents, option number B, top of stack. Top of stack. Option number B. Next, 87. The tens complement of a decimal number is equal to, tens complement. Option number A is correct. Nines complement. Then you add 1. Then it will become tens complement. Next, AR represents. AR represents what? Option number B, address register. Next, the addressing mode where the controls of an index register is added to the address part of the instruction. Address register is added to the address part of the instruction. So the answer is option number B, direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, what? Index register is added to index register is added to address part of the instruction. Address part of the instruction. Okay. Next, the instructions that performs binary operations on string. Binary operations on string of bits stored in register. The instructions that performs binary operations on strings of bit stored in register. So your answer will be option number A, is logical instruction. Next, the term that provides simultaneous data processing task. Simultaneous means at a time. So this will be, answer is parallel processing. So option number A is correct. Next, the holds the number of words to be transferred to the memory. Number of words. So which holds number of words? You can see word counter register, address. We need word counter register. Option number A is correct. Next, BCD represent. BCD represents what? BCD represents what? Binary coded decimal. Option number A is correct. Next, the NOR gate produce the output 1 if and only if when X and Y are equal to 0. Option number A is correct. Next, in half adder, carry will be 1 when in half adder, carry will be 1 when X and Y are equal to 1. Then the carry will be 1. Next, the expansion of BCD. Again, it is also full form of BCD, binary coded decimal. Option number B is correct. it will sure that this will come in B.sc 4th sem. Next, what is the XS3 code for the binary equivalent of 8? So here you can see, start with the binary representation, decimal digit 8 in which 1000. This is the binary code of 8. Add 3 each bit in the binary representations. So in 1 add 3, 0 add 3, add 3, add 3, then you get what 4 3 is, and then again it change these in binary and you got what 1011. Option number A is correct. Next, the base or radix of octal number system. Everybody know, in octal, you can take a screenshot of this. In octal, base 8. In binary, you got radix and base of 2. In decimal, we got base of 10. And in hexadecimal, we use a base of 16. So what the question? Radix of octal. So we use 8. Option number D is correct. Next, the base or radix of hexadecimal number system. You see 16. Option number B is correct. Next, the flip-flop used to synchronize the state change during a clock pulse transition is. During the clock pulse transition, option number C is correct, as triggered flip-flop. Okay, so here was 100 questions we have completed. Thanks for watching this video, and for more you can comment down, and we will discuss about all topics of computer science and like this. Thank you.